Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where it's free to join. You create a profile, and if you're selected, you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you review the samples. You can also win a box on their social media, so I will link that below if you want to follow them there. So let's see what the first thing is. They wrapped it really well. It looks like some little glass bottles. Ooh, some face serum. Healing hemp. Oh, that's awesome. Love that. Then we have some pure CBD oil. Some pain relief balm. Bliss. Oh, that's cute. And then there's some information here, a promo code, showcase of their products that they have. That's awesome. Lots of stuff to read there. It smells good. I could smell it. Very cool. Then I have Britenz with zythotol. Brush on teeth whitener. Apply in seconds. Amazing results. Dentist formulated. Simple to use. Minty. Fresh taste. I haven't seen anything like that, so I'll definitely try that. That sounds exciting. Also have a CBD sparkling water. This is a pink grapefruit flavor. I love trying new beverages. We did get one of these last month. I don't remember if it was the same flavor or not, but it was pretty good. Then the GoodLight apricot olive leaf, scented with a blend of pure essential oils and botanical oils. Plant-based and paraffin-free. A little candle. Ooh, yeah, that smells good. I like that. Then we have Saving the Planet Really Is This Fun. It says Eat Me on it. Small edible spoon. Chocolate flavor. Oh, cool. So you can enjoy these with like ice creams or a sweet treat. I'm going to open this. So here's what the spoon looks like. It looks pretty durable. Like if I tried really hard, I'm sure I could break it, but it doesn't look like it's so fragile that when you're dipping ice cream, it would break. I'm going to taste it. It almost tastes like a chocolate graham cracker, but hard. It's not going to be like flaky and break real easily. That's a really cool idea. That's neat. Then we have a sample of coffee chocolate. 1 bar equals 1 espresso. That's really cool. You get 2 free bars with your order. You use that code. And then there's always coupons or information about the companies in here. So here's a 20% off code for the CBD sparkling water. And another pamphlet about that. Ooh, there's a blueberry lemon, berry, pink grapefruit. Awesome. So if you guys would like to try to win a box, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.